had Mr. Murray in your high school career. So, Mr. Murray is an institution here at Tualatin High School. He opened the building, I believe, in '92, if I'm not mistaken. One of the original teachers here, and he sadly has decided to take a break after this year and go into what they sometimes call retirement, I guess. He's graduating. This guy is so well loved at Tualatin High School, and so some of my senior students got with Mr. Murray and put together that fun jig, fiddle tune. And so we want to recognize, we got a card from Mr. Murray. I want to thank him for his many years here at Tualatin High School service. This guy will pop into our rehearsals from time to time. He loves music. He can commonly be found down in the science wing, playing his fiddle. What other instruments? Variety of instruments. Guitar, penny whistle, banjo. Okay, so awesome science teacher at Tualatin High School. Please give it up for Mr. Chris Murray.